Good morning children, welcome back to the class. I am your Nauta madam. I am going to continue our lesson sound. So first thing I said you sound is an energy. Sound is an energy. Why and what? What it is doing? Sound is doing some work. If say energy means what? Ability to do work. Energy means what? Ability to do work. You know, this sound is doing some work. Sound will do work. Say it is making you to hear. And I said you that example for a plastic box, we kept empty plastic box we have taken, we surrounded upside open empty plastic box which is opened, for that we covered with the balloon and tightly with the rubber, we covered it with the balloon, it is acting like a diaphragm. So on that firstly what we have taken, listen, diaphragm, on this you take sound, some sand pieces. Is there any change in that? No. But now next thing what to do, in that box you take a cell phone which is already in a in which the songs are playing. You switch on that mobile and keep in what mode, as if the songs are playing, and keep that phone in that plastic box. Again same process, cover with the balloon tightly, don't use a thread to cover that. What we have to use rubber band. Now you on that again same what to do, you take sand pieces, as the phone is going on playing means not dancing or any carom board like that. Here what is that mobile, it is doing what, it is playing some songs, you are able to hear the sound. So due to this the sound, what is that you are finding, these sand pieces are moving up and down like this, they are fluctuating, so they are moving means work is done. So because of what, because of the sound produced by the mobile, we are finding this sand, they are moving up and down. That means the sound is doing some energy. Nothing but sound is one form of energy. And here this is important, you know that there is a sound summer. You have listened the music. Have you listened music or not? You enjoy, everybody enjoys the music, and some of them I think if in among you there might be players also, musical players, instrument music, how they are playing, how you are able to hear the music, by playing some instruments. What are the musical instruments which you are hearing the sounds? Musical instruments which you are hearing the sounds, musical instruments, what? Musical instruments what you are having, that we are going to hear, guitar, violin, that flute you have, like this many, veena, again here different types of sounds we can get, piano. These all are making sounds. Observe this, guitar, violin, that flute, again still piano. This all we are having, no? Do all they make same type of sounds? Do all they make same sound? Do they make same type of sound? No. They are making different sounds. Different musical instruments are making different sounds. Is it or not? So that is what, how they are making that different types of sounds, based on the drums. If you see, if you take drums, its a structure you observe the musical instrument, you observe all the musical structure, all musical instruments structures, different instruments are having different structures. Again the material with which they are made is also different. And here maximum, here suppose example guitar, if you take in that you are having strings. If you ring them, if you beat them, you are getting how you are beating, how you are touching that strings, the music obtained is also different, and that is how the vibrations made by these strings, the vibrations made by the strings making us to making that guitar or any musical instruments to produce different sounds. First getting see, as you go on beating like this, as you go on musing, as you go on touching that strings as you go on touching, different sounds you are getting, I said. How and why? Based on the vibrations. Based on the vibrations, the different sounds you are able to hear. And see, already we discussed it. Vibrating bodies always produce sound. What? Vibrating bodies produce sound. And here we came to know this one. See, about we are having a main great musicians, great musicians. You know A.R. Rahman, he is a great musician. Here we are having for a different musical instrument, we are having different persons, and see, they are expert in playing that instruments. For example, see, now I am here. See, I am teaching you physical science. I am expert in this, and some here. Some if you take a person, he will be perfect in guitar, some person will be perfect in drums, some may perfect in guitar, like that. Different persons are playing different instruments, and they became popular. Okay, and here coming to the point, what is that means? About human beings. For example, human beings, I am talking, you are able to hear. I am teaching you lesson, you are able to hear, you are able to catch me. Then we are having communication. If I go on talking, if I go on speaking, you are able to listen and you are able to understand what I am taking. Like this, if I do, can you able to understand what I am saying? No. We are having a great opportunity. I mean, greatness among all the living beings. What is that greatness of human being comparing to all the living beings? Speech. We are able to talk. Speech is nothing but we are able to talk. Observe all living beings. I am saying about all the living beings. In all the living beings, human beings are having a great opportunity. I mean, great plus point. In this case, because we are able to communicate through speech, through speaking, we are able to speak, we are able to express our views. If I want to talk, if I make sound, can you able to understand? If I want, without talking, if I make a sound, can you understand? No. Is there any communication possibility without talking and without speech, without any sound? I am talking, I am saying listen. Just if I go on making some sound means like this, if I make, can you understand? No, I am talking. See how I am able to talk. What is that plus point in our human beings? Why not in other animals? See, human beings are able, here you can understand, human beings are able to talk. Human beings are able to talk. Human beings are able to speak. Communicating. Here they are able to speak. Here human beings are able to speak. Human beings are able to speak means communication is going on. Communication possible. And what about animals? I will say how we are able to talk, how we are able to speak. Animals, how then? How about animals? How about animals? Animals, do they speak? Do they talk? Do they talk? No, just they are making sound. See, each animal, observe each and every animal, they are making some sound. To communicate, amma. See, for example, cow, or else if you take honeybees, or else you take dogs, like this animals. If you take different animals are communicating. See, dogs there, one dog to talk with another dog. Hey come, will it do that? If I am here, amma, I want to call my friend. Hey Rani, come here. I'll say, hi friend, come here. I am saying that, hi, hello, I will be talking in that way. But coming to this dogs, cows, honeybees, or these animals, how will they say hi, hello like that? Come, welcome to my home. Please visit my home. Will they say that? No. They are making sounds, and each animal will have different sounds to communicate among themselves. Dogs, they make different sounds. Cows, they make different sounds. Honeybees, they make different, to communicate among themselves. See, dogs sound they can, and cows can't understand. Cows sound honeybees can't understand. One honeybee making sound, other honeybee will be understanding. Suppose one dog making sound, another dog will be understanding that what it want to communicate, what it want to say. One dog, see, one dog is barking or shouting. One dog is barking or shouting. Other dog, somewhere it is there. It can understand, amma. It can understand. If you are there, you can't understand what it want to say. Is it? In this way, animals are communicating through sound. But we people are blessed. We are blessed with this speech. We are blessed with this. How? And human beings are blessed with how the human beings are able to communicate by talking, speaking. We are able to sing the songs. How? The main point, main body parts which plays major role here. Which plays major role? Again, larynx. Larynx, also called voice box. Larynx, also called voice box. Main in here sound, you observe this. Now I am talking, no? Press this. Talk. Go on talking. Observe that difference. Just press and see. You are finding difference in the sound, voice. This here we will have. Here larynx, also we will say voice box. Larynx also we can say it as a voice box. In our voice box, here we will have vocal cords. Here we will have, in this part we will have vocal cords. Vocal cords. See, this important. You might have seen deaf and dumb peoples, you know. Deaf, dumb, observe. Deaf, not able to hear. Dumb, not able to talk. Dumb, not able to speak. People who are not able to speak, dumb. For them, if the vocal cords are stopped there, if the vocal cords are closed, here this major role will be played by these vocal cords. You are able to talk, you are able to sing, you are able to communicate with your friends. How? Just the major. In larynx, this is larynx, other name voice box. In larynx we are having vocal cords. These vocal cords, we will have two. We will have like this. See, it will be closed. It will be closed actually. When you are see, respiration, when you are taking air inside, it will be opening. When you are taking air, it will be opening, and now closing. Here when you are taking it, here you have in the picture, see, it is there, opened, closed. When air is going inside, these vocal cords will be opening. When the air is not going, inhaling, exhaling, but for during respiration it is opening. Respiration for 1 second, 2 seconds will be a no continuous process. So here during breathing, it allows air into the lungs. Vocal cords, what it is doing? It is allowing air to go towards lungs. Vocal cords, these vocal cords. Here you can see the picture. Larynx, we have vocal cords. Here you have, this is our vocal cord. Vocal cords. Here this is our larynx. And so if vocal cords are if they are packed totally, the person can't talk, amma. They dumbness is just because of this effect, vocal cords not working properly. That is closed or any defect in the vocal cords, they are not able to talk. Getting? We are blessed. Observe, see, the human beings are blessed with this one, speaking. We are able to speak, they are blessed, we are blessed with the vocal cords. Because of that we are able to communicate with others. And here about this, okay, larynx, other name what? Voice box. Larynx, other name what? Voice box. Say larynx, other name voice box. In voice box we are having what? We are having vocal cords. Larynx, other name what? Voice box. In that what we are having? Vocal cords. And what purpose they are using? They are opening while respiration. And what purpose that to opening? That vocal cords are opening while respiration to allow the air to pass towards the lungs. Now see, this is sound for propagating. Propagating means what? For moving, for propagation, moving purpose. For sound propagation, medium necessary. Sound propagation purpose, medium necessary. See, sound propagation purpose, medium means not Telugu, Hindi, English mediums. Here sound air means, here mediums means air, water, glass, like this we are having mediums. So will the for a transmission of sound do we need a medium or not? For a sound propagation, do we need a medium or not? Means for example, air necessary while you are talking. Air necessary. Whether the sound is passing through mediums, how is it passing? We are going to see here. Mediums, about mediums, this one here, if you see, sound is propagating through mediums. Necessary, medium necessary or not? For this example, you take a box. You take a box, and this further term, this you don't, in our lesson we don't have. Here I am saying you, here we are having a bell jar. You have heard, I think, bell jar. In this bell jar we have to take a bell. You know, bell means what? Our what? Ringing bell. I mean, for houses, what we can say this, I am not getting. Calling bell. Okay, that calling bell, just insert into this glass jar, and this one give connection. These two wires you give connection to the board, switch board. And see here, this is open. One side, now after arranging, this is our glass jar. From down you adjust this bell, our calling bell, and that too, see, this one will be ringing the bell. You know, calling bell you have seen. That calling bell give connection to the battery, and see, from down it is open. Now what to do? See, just you close it with any wooden plank or any glass. It should have a small opening. You close it with any wooden plank or any glass material, and it should have a small opening. Through this opening you keep a connection to the vacuum pump. Give connection through this vacuum pump. What we are doing first, see, better. What I did? Bell jar. This is a glass jar. Actually this total we will say it as a bell jar. This is a glass jar. This is a bell. Calling bell gave connection to the circuit board, switch board. Now just close totally with this wooden plank or any glass. Now see, ring the bell, switch on this button. What is that? Sound is produced. Sound will be produced. you are able to hear. It is a glass material, so you are able to hear. Now very next movement, close totally, amma. First we did close, we closed, no, just to make a small hole, and through this hole you give a connection of a vacuum pump. Vacuum pump, what it does, it suck the air in the glass jar wherever it is, not only here. Vacuum pump, what it does, it sucks the total air present in that. Vacuum pump, it is sucking total air present in that. So this vacuum pump, when you give connection from down, it is sucking totally air in that. Just close it. Now it is a vacuum, it became vacuum, means nothing but air, not there, nothing there in this, no medium. Now again switch on the button, observe that it is, see, it is visible, it is glass jar, it is visible. You are finding that it is bell is ringing like this, but you are not able to hear the sound. Here you are not able to hear the sound. Again I am saying, see, first case what we did, we have taken a glass jar. Here it was like this, actually it was like this only, down it is open, and from down you just arrange this calling bell and give connection to the battery. Here we gave connection to the battery, and now what is that, from down totally close with, here it will be open. I said no, you just close it with any wooden plank or any glass material. Now go on ringing the bell. It is, you can hear the sound in this case, but when you made a hole and gave connection to the vacuum pump, what it does, it sucking means it removing out, it takes out, it is dragging out all the air, sucking or dragging out all the air. It is sucking or dragging out all the air present in this bell jar. So now what is that happening? It is sucking, I said, it is sucking total air present in this. Now just pack it. All right, now air not there in this. Now go on switch on the bell. It is visible, it is appearing, that bell is beating this metal, but sound is not able to hear. Why? Because air is not there. What happened here? Air not there. When air was there, sound you are able to hear. When air not there, you are not able to hear the sound. Getting air there, when air is there, you are able to hear the sound. Air not there means not able to hear the sound. That means sound requires the medium for propagating, for moving, for spreading. So understanding the concept, for sound to be propagated means moving on. For sound to be propagated, with compulsory need medium, air is necessary. Not only air, amma, the sound passes through liquids, solids, gases. Air means nothing but gases itself. So it is clear now. What you have learnt, for propagation of sound, what we need, medium is necessary. Medium is compulsory necessary. That means it may be air, it may be water, it may be any glass item. Mediums. Now this propagation, if you take, say about this, yes, propagating. Have you, okay, before going to say about next topic, there is a propagation of sound in solids here. Propagation of sound in solids. Propagation of sound in solids. Here, before saying this, here what I said, compulsory, it require medium, I said. Before saying about this, let me say you, have you seen mimicry artist? Mimicry artist, how they are doing, how they are making different sounds. Mimicry means what? See, you might have seen in mimicry artist, either directly or might be seen in TVs. They are making the sound of our KCR, Chandrababu Naidu, or else some animals sound they are making, and different vehicles sounds they are making. How? Can you say? See, they are having the grip on their vocal cords. they will be having grip on vocal cords. Here we are having a great persons. Let me say you. Yes. What how they are making sound, how they are able to make different sounds, control here, control of the vocal cords. And say you people can also try that. Vocal cords controlling means hey, keep quiet, don't make sound, not that. See how they are allowing the air, passage of air, passage of air. Here passage of air is dependent, is necessary there, getting here. Now we are finding that what propagation of sound in solids we are seeing, no, in where we are seeing solids, whether the sound will be passed in the solids or not, or about liquids, about solids, liquids and gases, we are going to continue. The propagation, about the propagation of sounds in solids, liquids, gases, I am going to continue in our next lesson, next topic. Thank you.